Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, student, today your topic is festivals of India. So, India, India has in India we celebrate many type of festivals. We have many religious festivals, harvest festivals, and national festivals. So, today we will learn about the religious festivals. So, today we will learn about religious festivals, harvest festivals, and national festivals. So, religious festivals. रिलीजन क्या होता है? धार्मिक फेस्टिवल्स कौन से हैं हमारे? सो in India we celebrate many festivals like Diwali is religious festival, Guru Parv is religious festivals, Eid is religious, and Christmas. So Diwali. So now tell me why we celebrate Diwali. Diwali is celebrated um, Diwali is celebrated when Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. After killing Ravan, so people celebrate this festival. Okay, so Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. कौन celebrate करता है? Hindu. And in the month of October and November. And Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan after 14 years. So ऑन दिवाली पीपल लिट लैम्प्स लिट करते हैं. ओके, और क्या करते हैं वो लोग? वियर न्यू क्लॉथ्स वेयर करते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, दे विल ईट स्वीट्स and they exchange gifts, and we call the Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. Now we will talk about the Christmas. Who celebrate Christmas is celebrated by Christians, and on the month of December, 25th December, as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, so on that day people go to the church. Many families decorate the Christmas tree, decorate their house. People wear new clothes. People exchange gifts. Okay, and some people dress up like Santa Claus and distribute gifts to children. Okay, and this is the this festival is sorry, Christians celebrate this festival, but now on these days we some people also celebrate this festival. Now we will talk about these festivals. Now tell me which festival is this. देखो हक कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को. सो दिस वी कॉल दिस फेस्टिवल ईद उल फितर. ईद उल फितर कौन? हु सेलिब्रेट ईद उल फितर? मुस्लिम्स. सो मुस्लिम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. दे गो टू द मॉस्क्यू फॉर प्रेयर. मस्जिद में जाते हैं ना. And this festival come in the end of the Ramjan. Okay, and they wear new clothes and they pray to God, Allah, है ना. And they said, they hug and say Eid Mubarak and wish Eid Mubarak, and they eat biryani, firni, korma. Okay, people go men go to the mosque and women क्या करती हैं? Women prayer at home. Okay, this is the famous this is the important, or this is the famous festivals for Muslim. Next one is Guru Parv. Who celebrate Guru Parv? Sikhs celebrate Guru Parv. So Guru Parv is celebrated by Sikh as the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. Okay, and this is celebrated in the month of November, and people go to gurudwaras and pray. They eat खरा प्रसाद. वहाँ पे प्रसाद भी मिलते हैं ना गुरुद्वारे में. and they eat खरा प्रसाद. So these are the religious festival. First one is Diwali, next one is Christmas, next one is Eid Mubarak, and last one is the Guru Parv. There are 4 festivals: Diwali, Christmas, Eid ul Fitr, and Guru Parv. Now we will talk about the harvest festivals. Now tell me, what are the harvest festivals? So festivals such as Baisakhi, Pongal, Bihu are celebrated as harvest festivals. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स आर सेलिब्रेट टू थैंक नेचर, नेचर को थैंक करते हैं ना फॉर गिविंग गुड क्रॉप्स. सो फर्स्ट फेस्टिवल है पोंगल. So now can you tell me where we who celebrate Pongal? So Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in January. Or people boil rice on the new pots like that, and they offer that rice to the god sun, or they thank the god sun for giving such good crops. Okay. So Pongal कौन celebrate करता है? Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu celebrate this Pongal, and there are such on that day West Bengal, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, this day is celebrated as मकर संक्रांति. और हमारे हरियाणा में भी मकर संक्रांति हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एंड पंजाब एज लोहड़ी. और पंजाब में इसी दिन क्या कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? लोहड़ी, टू थैंक द गॉड फॉर गिविंग गुड क्रॉप्स. सो these are the festivals. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, फर्स्ट वन क्या था? पोंगल, मकर संक्रांति, लोहड़ी. next one is Bihu. So Bihu, this is people celebrate Bihu. Who celebrate Bihu? The people of Assam celebrate Bihu for giving good harvest. And there are they celebrate two type of Bihu: Rongoli Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. So Bhogali Bihu is celebrated in the month of Rongali Bihu is celebrated in April, and Bhogali Bihu is celebrated in January. Okay, students, and on that festival people sing and dance, and they give gifts. They give gift, and they give gift. Usually, they give gift to each other, and they give a cloth. That cloth, they gave a cloth. We called this cloth गोमासा, गैमोसा बोलते हैं इसको. ये गिफ्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे को. ओके. एंड मोस्टली पीपल ईट स्पेशल डिशेस. सो दीज आर द फेस्टिवल, हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स. सो वी ऑल्सो हैव सम नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स which are celebrated in India every year. So first one is Republic Day. On 25th January we celebrate this festival. Why we celebrated this festival? On this day our constitution यानी संविधान जो हमारा लागू हुआ था इसी दिन हुआ था. And there is every year a parade is organized from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan, okay, in New Delhi to mark the occasion. Next one है Independence Day. Independence Day on 15th August every year we celebrate this festival, this national festival. On this day this day 1947 India become an independent country हो गया था ना. So the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort and give a speech. Okay, speech देते हैं वो. So most people क्या करते हैं? Fly kites on this day. So Independence Day is a national festival. Next one is देखो like this, people prayed करते हैं वहाँ पे. और कौन प्रेड करता है? ये हमारी आर्मी. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन गांधी जयंती. ऑन 2nd October every year India celebrate this, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. On that day the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated by national festival, and we call the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi Gandhi Jayanti. And people go to Rajghat at जहाँ पे महात्मा गांधी की समाधि है in New Delhi, and people celebrate this day as a national festival on 2 October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So in this lesson we have learned 3 types of festivals. First one, religious festivals. Then we learned about the harvest festivals, and in the last we learned about the national festivals. So students, watch this video carefully. After that you will revise your block number 10 or festivals.